So today we're going to work on lesson 5.5, which is more word problems. Get your notebook out, pencil, and a calculator because you're going to be doing some work and pausing the video when you need to. So here we go. For the next 3 slides, I want you to pause the video and then calculate how much the shop should charge for each items in the photo. And so here's the example, and I'll say it again on the next slide. For example, the apple juice photo shows that a 6-pack of apple juice should cost $3.29. But based on this information, how much should the shop charge for 5 cans? And I want you to explain your reasoning or be ready to. So here's that apple juice. As you can see, it is, I'm going to get this, $3.29 for a 6-pack, but there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pause the video and figure out how much you think the shop should charge for 5 cans. Okay, so it's $3.29 for 6 cans. So I'm going to figure out how much it is for 1 can. So I'm going to do $3.29 divided by 6. And when I do that, I'm going to round it to money so that we are not dealing with a rambling number. So if you do this, you get 0.548 and then a bunch of 3s. And I want this to be money. So we're going to round to the nearest hundredth, because this is money right here. So this 8 is going to change that 4 to a 5. So it's 55 cents for 1 can. So 55 cents times the 5 cans we have. We're going to charge, we think they should charge $2.75. Okay, do it again for the blackberry soda. $5.49 for a 4-pack. And they've got 1, 2, 3 bottles. Pause the video, figure out how much you think they should make. So we have $5.49 for 4 bottles. So I'm going to do $5.49 divided by 4. And again, I'm going to have to round it, so I get 1.3725. So $1.30, and this is not going to change, so $1.37 for 1 bottle. So I'm going to do $1.37 times 3, and that's going to give me $4.11 that I think the shop should charge. Okay, now for eggs, $2.99 for 1 dozen. Remember, that's 12 eggs. 12 eggs. Pause the video and figure out how much you should charge for 7 eggs. Yep, 7 eggs. So here we go, $2.29 for 12 eggs. I'm going to figure out how much for 1 egg. So I do $2.29 divided by 12, and I get 0.1908, and then again a bunch of 3s. So right now that's 19. That 0 isn't going to change anything, so 19 cents. So 19 cents times 7 eggs. I think the shop should charge $1.33. So we're going to do the same thing. Toshi used 2 cans of icing to cover 24 cupcakes. 2 cans of icing, 24 cupcakes. How many cupcakes can she ice with 3 cans of icing? So I'm just going to do it the easy way. 2 times 12 is 24. So 3 times 12, she can frost 36 cupcakes. And again, these are all word problems, so I have to make sure we have a label. Now we have a recipe. We have a tuna casserole recipe. Dora needs to make the casserole for 40 people. So how many cans of tuna does she need? So here's our cans of tuna, and this is how many servings. So 2 cans serves 16 people. How many is she going to need for 40? And again, we're going to go easy. 16, and I'm going to divide by 8 to get 2. So 40 divided by 8, she is going to need 5 cans of tuna. Now we have Amanda and her banana shake recipe that serves 16 people. She wants to only serve 4. So how many bananas does she need? So in her recipe, she needs 8 bananas for 16 people. How many for only 4? Well, this one we can do a couple different ways. We can do 16 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 would give us 2. We could also do 16 divided by 4 gives us 4. 8 divided by 4 still gives us 2. So she needs 2 bananas. And there's our answer. Let's do one more. Carlos runs with the school track team. It takes him 54 minutes to run 6 miles. How long would it have taken him to only run 2 miles, since miles is on the bottom? And again, do really easy. 6 divided by 3. 54 divided by 3 gives us 18. We could have also done 6 times 9. So 2 times 9 is also 18. It would have taken him 18 minutes to run those 2 miles. So your homework is in Schoology. It is 5.5 Homework 2020. It is a proportion word problem sheet. It's got a ruler and a pencil at the top. There are 9 questions on the front and 6 more on the back for a total of 15. Message me if you have any questions. Good luck.